Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Organized by Darcy, where we take the very simple and inexpensive and make it elegant. Today's Thursday and it's my golf day, and I'd love to show you what I've done right after playing golf today. Now, I cleaned under my kitchen counter as part of a series that I'm doing for the month of July and August, series on kitchen organization. So come with me and I'll show you how I cleaned the before and the after on my kitchen, under my kitchen counter. Let's go. Today I'm going to reorganize under my kitchen sink, an area that I'm sure no one likes to do, and I certainly don't, but of course it needs to be done, and that's what I'm going to be doing today. So watch as I organize this area right here under my kitchen sink. Let's get started. First thing I did was to wipe out the entire area with this awesome from the 99-cent store. And so everything is clean, including the trash cans that are right here. I've wiped out the back area as well. And I'm not sure I'm going to put the contact paper in. I'll see what I have, but it's nice and clean right now, and so I'll move on to the next step. The next step is to add these two containers that I already have. So I'll put those in securely, and then I will add the under counter things that I need to have in place in the kitchen. So let's see what needs to be added in. These are the items that we're going to be putting back under the sink. The only thing that I have that is large is the baking soda that we use almost daily to wash all fruits and vegetables after they're purchased from the store or wherever. And of course we soak them first in a baking soda for 15 minutes, and then we wash them before we put them in the refrigerator or anywhere else in the home, so that the big box will stay because we use a lot of that. Then of course I have some of the other cleaning supplies that we have, and I'll put those in smaller containers. And of course there's this little caddy, and the back of the caddy I have all the little instruments that if the sink stops up we can use to clear, or even the sink stopper is there, so I keep those there, and there are a couple of brushes and of course some other dishwashing cloths. So they're all here, and this is what it looks like, and then I'm going to add everything together and see what it really looks like. So let's move on to the next step. This is the final project. This is what it looks like under this kitchen sink. Everything is nice and neat, and of course above the sink this is what it really looks like. All I have on there are the regular stuff. I do have a little plant there, and of course these are always there, and my little candle is always lit there, of course. So that's what my under the sink looks like, and above my kitchen sink, that's what it all looks like right now. So nice, so neat, so organized. So again, thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I hope you are motivated to do under your kitchen sink as well. I certainly enjoyed doing that, and if you've done yours by being motivated by this video, then hey, send me a comment, let me know, because we're all in this together. Again, thank you so much for stopping by, and I look forward to seeing you next Friday in our next video. Goodbye, and of course, good luck.